Hey everyone, welcome back. Chef Stino. Today I'll be showing you how to make my favorite takeout, chicken and broccoli. It's even better when it's made at home with fresh ingredients, and it only takes about 30 minutes. So let's get right into it.
Okay, so first let's start by trimming the fat. Then we'll be cutting our chicken on a 45-degree angle. Make sure you have thin, even pieces so they can cook properly. Add your chicken into a bowl and prepare to season. Add your garlic powder, and now for last, we'll add our ginger. Mix that all around thoroughly. Prepare cornstarch slurry by binding cornstarch and water in a cup and mix thoroughly. Practice proper food safety by washing your hands whenever handling raw chicken. Put your chicken in the fridge to hang out. Clean and prep your broccoli. Rinse your broccoli thoroughly with cold water. Cut the stem of your broccoli and begin to break each piece individually. Get a pot, add your broccoli, and add a small amount of water to your pot. Place on the stove to steam. Put your heat on low. Now let's add our chicken. Separate your chicken. Make sure to flip every 30 seconds to evenly distribute the heat. Wow, this ginger smells so good. Add your soy sauce. Add your oyster sauce. And your sesame oil. Mix it all around. Add the remainder of your cornstarch slurry. Now our broccoli is done. Begin to add your broccoli into the wok. Add some extra soy sauce and mix around. Now our chicken and broccoli is done.
If you want to learn how to make rice, go back to my last videos and you'll see how to make rice.
Mount your rice into a nice bowl. Put over a plate and flip your plate, and voila, that's my trick to making beautiful plates. Your chicken and broccoli, serve it on the side of your rice, and now our plate is done. I had these extra sauces that I collect when I order Chinese food. If you guys have these at home, this is a bonus. Buen provecho.